Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to actually use Revolut. So let's jump straight in. Okay, so using Revolut is actually really quick and easy. It's revolutionized how we can manage our money across borders, currencies, and also financial needs. So this guide will walk you through setting it up and maximizing your experience. The first thing is you need to download it. You can download it from the App Store or Google Play. Then you need to sign up. You can enter your mobile number, email address, and your personal information. And then you need to verify your identity. The next thing is to choose your plan between the standard, premium, and the metal, and then add money via bank transfer, card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, any one of these options to actually get started. The last thing over here is after step 2 and 3, you can manage your money and you can make payments. So it has multi-currency power. You can hold and exchange more than 30 currencies at international bank rates with no hidden fees. Also, you can send money instantly worldwide to friends, family, and businesses with very competitive fees. And then you can pay with a physical, virtual, or disposable card that can help you to manage your money better. You can freeze and unfreeze this instantly within the app. And then you can also take control of your finances with some of these powerful tools, including a spender tracker. And then you can also create budgets and saving goals. And you can earn rewards. And then you can also avoid foreign exchange fees when traveling or shopping internationally. So Revolut really is awesome. Go ahead and actually try them out.